On your Windows 10 computer, you might be getting installation errors while upgrading or reinstalling MySQL 8 database server. Or if you want to completely uninstall MySQL 8 database server from Windows 10 operating system, if that's the case, then this tutorial is for you. Hi, my name is Pradnyankur. I am a freelance web developer and Udemy instructor. In this video tutorial, we will step by step learn how to completely uninstall MySQL 8 database server from your Windows 10 operating system. Let's get started. On Windows 10 operating system, go to Start, All Apps, MySQL and click to open MySQL 8 command line client window. Enter MySQL root user password to log in to MySQL 8 server, and we are logged in to our MySQL root user account. Before we uninstall MySQL 8 database server, the very first thing I would suggest is to backup any existing databases. You may be learning SQL or working on MySQL projects. Once you remove the MySQL 8 database server, all your data would be gone. So be careful before uninstalling MySQL 8 database. I will execute SQL statement to display all databases. Show databases semicolon, press enter. Previously we created this PnTutorials database. I'm gonna backup this database. In your case, you might have one or more databases. Let's backup all these databases. If you do not have any database, then you don't need to worry about this step. You can directly skip to the next step. Let's log out of root user account using exit statement. In Windows 10 search, type cmd and right click on this command prompt icon and select Run as Administrator. Press Y to allow the application. Minimize the Windows command prompt window and go to C drive, Program Files folder, MySQL, MySQL Server 8.0 and bin directory. Please note, if you have installed MySQL 8 in a different drive or different path, make sure you navigate to the respected MySQL 8 installation path and open the bin folder. Now click this top folder icon and right click and select copy to copy the MySQL 8 bin folder path. Close the bin folder and open the Windows command prompt window. In Windows command prompt, enter cd space and right click to paste the MySQL 8 bin folder path. Press enter to change the directory to MySQL 8 bin folder. Now on this bin folder prompt, enter MySQL dump space -u root -p space all databases space greater than symbol and in double quotes enter the full path to save the backup file. In my case, I would save the backup file on my desktop, but you can save it to any location you want. In my case, the path is C:\users my username Pradnyankur /desktop and the file name. I will name the file as alldb.sql double quote complete. This is the command to backup all the databases in MySQL 8 database server. We will learn more about database export, import and its commands in a separate tutorial. For now, just enter the command as it is. Press enter. Enter MySQL root user password. And if we don't receive any error message, then we should have a backup file on our desktop. Keep this file safe for import purposes. I will close the Windows command prompt window. Now let's move to uninstall step. Before we uninstall MySQL 8 database server from Windows 10 operating system, we must disable or stop MySQL 8 server instance. Let's do it now. In Windows 10 search, type services. Click to open this services window. On this services window, under name column, scroll down until you find a MySQL 8.0 instance. For this MySQL instance, under the status column, you can see it is in running state. If the instance is in running state, select the MySQL 8.0 instance and click Stop Service button from the top menu. If the MySQL 8.0 instance doesn't show the status or is in stop state, it means we have successfully disabled or stopped the MySQL server instance. Close the services window. Now on Windows 10 search, enter Control Panel. Click the Control Panel icon to open the Control Panel window. On the Control Panel window, under Programs, click to open the Uninstall a Program window. On Uninstall a Program window, first select MySQL Workbench 80 CE and click this top Uninstall button. Press Yes. Again Yes to continue. And it should take less than a minute to uninstall MySQL Workbench. Similarly, this time select MySQL Server 8.0 and click the Uninstall button. Press Y to allow. Again Yes to continue. And finally, select MySQL Installer Community and click the Uninstall button. Press Yes. Again Yes button. Here we uninstall MySQL Workbench, MySQL Server and MySQL Community Installer. Close the Control Panel window. Though we uninstall MySQL Server and its related applications, we still have some related files like database file and some configuration files, etc. Let's delete those files or directories to completely remove the MySQL database server from our Windows 10 computer. Open C drive. From the top menu, click View, Options and select the Change Folder and Search options. On this folder option pop-up window, click View tab and under Advanced Settings option, for the Hidden Files and Folder option, select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drive option. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Now one by one go to MySQL directories and delete if the directory exists. I have given the list of directories in the description or resources of this video. Go to C, Program Files, MySQL and delete this MySQL folder. Similarly, go to C, Program Files x86 and if you find a MySQL folder, delete it. In my case, the directory doesn't exist. Now go to C, Program Data, MySQL, delete the folder. If for some reason you can't delete the folder, restart your computer and try to delete it again. Now C, Users, your username, in my case it is Pradnyankur, App Data, and if you find a MySQL folder here, delete it as well. Also go to Roaming and if you find a MySQL folder here, delete it. Now go back to C drive and change the folder permission back to previous state. Close C drive window and finally empty recycle bin to permanently delete the MySQL 8 database related directories. If you want to reinstall MySQL 8, I would suggest you restart your computer. Here we successfully uninstalled MySQL 8 database server and removed database related files from Windows 10 operating system. Here in this video tutorial, we step by step learn how to completely uninstall MySQL 8 database server from Windows 10 operating system. I hope the uninstall steps given in this video tutorial were easy to understand and follow. If you have any doubts or encounter uninstall errors or didn't understand something, you can ask me questions in the comment section of this video. If this video tutorial was helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.